Hey everyone, Sycra in here, and I found some videos of mine from 2006, some of the early speed paintings and speed sketches, and I don't know, I hadn't seen them in a very, very long time, in many years, and it was quite eye-opening how different what I'm doing now is to what I was doing before. So I thought it might be interesting to do one of those draw it again meme things. So on the left side, it's the 2006 Speedsketch #1, and on the right side is going to be my, how I would draw it if I were to do it today. Still trying to keep the character, because that's something I probably wouldn't do, this type of character. And she has a very big neck in the drawing I gave her, but I don't think that's part of the character. I think that's just the fact that I really wasn't very good with proportions. So, I don't know. It's so different in terms of style that I don't know if I can say much of import. I was 22, I think, when I did this. So that's a thing. My very first videos aren't on YouTube because I deleted them, but this is still pretty early. It's one of the earlier ones, so I guess you could see how much I progressed in the time period between these two. But I don't know, maybe it's not that much progression. Maybe it's just a different style. What I do notice, though, is that it seems like in the left side one, the old one, things were a lot more shaky. Like the ideas of where things go weren't quite solid. Me shading it doesn't look that good. Everything seems a lot more hesitant, whereas in the newer one, at least it's a bit more confident, and I felt like the process is a lot more structured and the lines are a lot nicer in terms of flow. And I don't know, cleanliness, I guess. But they're still pretty messy. But anyway, I don't know. I thought this might be interesting, maybe to someone. And I'll probably do a speed painting as well, because I mean, it's kind of hard with just a sketch, because the style is so different. And I mean, you can see how the style evolved in my Pointy Chin series. So yeah, next week I'll do a redo of a speed painting. Maybe I'll do speed painting #1, which is very strange. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what else to say. I hope this inspires or motivates someone. That, I mean, I hope you see that it's better. Maybe you don't. I'm really worried that people won't, and they'll just say, "Oh, you were better before." I like my work better now, but if you don't, well, you're free to let me know about how bad I suck and stuff. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.